Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Maxus T70 MOLDE, a pickup truck that's turning heads with its bold design, advanced features, and unbeatable value. Whether you're a workhorse needing a reliable partner or an adventurer looking for your next ride, this truck might just be what you've been waiting for. Let's get started. First up, the design. The 2025 Maxus T70 MOLDE brings a rugged yet modern look to the table. With its aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular body lines, this truck is built to impress. The MOLDE edition adds unique styling elements like blacked-out accents, alloy wheels, and a sporty rear bumper, giving it a standout presence on and off the road. Now, let's step inside. The interior of the T70 MOLDE is where practicality meets comfort. You've got premium materials, a spacious cabin, and a driver-focused dashboard with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's packed with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Plus, the seats are super comfortable, making long drives a breeze. Under the hood, the 2025 Maxus T70 MOLDE is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering 160 horsepower and 375 Newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, offering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or tackling rough terrains, this truck has got you covered. Safety is a top priority with the T70 MOLDE. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only keep you safe but also make driving this truck a stress-free experience. So, how much does the 2025 Maxus T70 MOLDE cost? With all these incredible features, you might expect a hefty price tag, but here's the best part. It starts at just $35,000. That's a lot of truck for the money, making it one of the most competitive options in its class. So, what do you think about the 2025 Maxus T70 MOLDE? Is it the ultimate pickup truck for work and play? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.